Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Sportage. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash and compressor, intercooled turbo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.